Greetings, wanderers! You've tuned into Traveling Kangaroo, your go-to channel for all things travel. We're your virtual passport, taking you on a journey across the globe, exploring the hidden gems and iconic landmarks of our fascinating planet. Today, we're setting our sights on the city of Seattle, a place known for its towering Space Needle, bustling Pike Place Market, and the birthplace of Starbucks. So grab your virtual luggage and stay with us as we hop into the heart of Seattle. Our first stop is none other than the iconic Space Needle. This magnificent structure, soaring 605 feet above the city's skyline, is a symbol of Seattle's ingenuity and ambition. Birthed from the space-age fascination of the 1960s, the Space Needle was a marvel of engineering and design. The brainchild of Edward E. Carlson, the Needle's innovative architecture was inspired by the Stuttgart Tower in Germany. Its unique hourglass figure shape is a testament to the creativity of its creators. The Needle's pinnacle is home to a rotating restaurant and an observation deck, offering breathtaking views of the Puget Sound, Mount Rainier, and the bustling city below. The Space Needle's recent renovation added a world first, a revolving glass floor. Known as the Loop, it provides a unique, vertigo-inducing perspective of the city. The Needle, resilient and enduring, has braved earthquakes and storms, standing tall as a testament to Seattle's spirit. A visit to Seattle is incomplete without witnessing the Space Needle's majesty. Next, we immerse ourselves in the bustling Pike Place Market. Imagine a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells. This is the heart of Seattle's vibrant market culture. From the break of dawn, vendors set up their stalls, brimming with an array of offerings. You'll find a kaleidoscope of fresh produce, artisanal cheeses, and exotic spices. But there's more than just food to delight in. Handcrafted jewelry, vintage clothing, and antique treasures are just a few of the unique finds that add to the market's eclectic charm. If you listen closely, the air is filled with the melody of street performers, their music echoing off the cobblestone streets. At the heart of it all, the friendly chatter of locals and tourists alike, bartering, laughing, and sharing stories. This is a place where community thrives, where every stall has a story and every purchase supports a dream. Pike Place Market, a true testament to Seattle's lively spirit. From the market, we move to a place that awakened the world to coffee, the birthplace of Starbucks. Nestled in Seattle's vibrant Pike Place Market, the original Starbucks store opened its doors in the year 1971. It was here that three partners, Jerry Baldwin, Zev Siegel, and Gordon Boker, fueled by their passion for quality coffee, started a journey that would eventually redefine the global coffee culture. Seattle's cool, misty mornings became synonymous with the warm, aromatic embrace of Starbucks coffee. The little store quickly became a local favorite, and it wasn't long before the Starbucks brand began to expand across the city, the country, and eventually, the world. The birthplace of Starbucks stands as a testament to the city's love for coffee and is a must-visit for caffeine aficionados worldwide. This isn't just a coffee shop, it's a piece of history. Starbucks, coffee that put Seattle on the world map. Now, let's delve into why Seattle is fondly known as the Emerald City. Seattle, in all its urban glory, is wrapped in a blanket of green. This city is a gem in the Pacific Northwest, with lush landscapes that earned it the nickname, the Emerald City. It's a place where the cityscape and nature intertwine seamlessly, creating a unique blend of urban and rural. Seattle's commitment to keeping its environment pristine is evident in its numerous parks and green spaces. In fact, it's hard to find a corner of the city that isn't graced with trees, whether it's a bustling avenue lined with maples or a serene park nestled among skyscrapers. The city's environmental initiatives are commendable too. Seattle is a leader in green building, recycling, and renewable energy. It's a city that understands the importance of sustainability and does its part to ensure a greener future. The Emerald City, where nature and urbanity coexist beautifully. From green landscapes, we transition to the towering offices of Fortune 500 companies. Seattle is a city that teems with the energy of industry giants. It's the home base of some of the world's most influential corporations. Amazon, for instance, started its journey here, from a simple online bookstore to a global e-commerce titan. Microsoft, another Seattle-based giant, has been shaping the digital revolution from its suburban Redmond headquarters. These corporations, along with others like Starbucks and Costco, have had a profound impact on the city's economy and culture. They've driven innovation, created thousands of jobs, and helped Seattle earn its reputation as a global tech hub. Seattle's Fortune 500 companies extend their influence far beyond the city's borders. impacting industries and economies worldwide. They're not just changing the face of Seattle, they're reshaping the world as we know it. Seattle, a city shaping the future of business and technology. Away from the urban jungle, we find tranquility in the stunning Puget Sound. This natural wonder is a complex network of estuarine waterways, stretching over 100 miles from Deception Pass in the north to Olympia in the south. It's a home to a remarkable array of wildlife. From the playful harbor seals to the majestic orcas, every creature contributes to the rich tapestry of life in the Sound. But the Puget Sound is more than just a haven for wildlife. It's a place of adventure and exploration. Kayaking through the serene waters, hiking along the rugged coastline, or simply enjoying a sunset picnic by the shore, the opportunities for outdoor recreation are boundless. It's also a crucial artery for commerce, with bustling ports that connect Seattle to the wider world. The Sound is a place where the rhythm of nature meets the pulse of the city, a testament to Seattle's unique blend of urban and natural beauty. Puget Sound, where Seattle's heart meets the sea. Next, we take flight with a tour of the Boeing factory. In the heart of Seattle, the Boeing factory stands as a colossal tribute to human ingenuity. This isn't just a factory, it's the birthplace of some of the most impressive aircraft ever to grace our skies. Boeing has been a cornerstone of Seattle's identity for over a century, contributing significantly to its economic and industrial growth. Here, the wings of commerce, travel, and exploration spread wide, reaching every corner of the globe. Visitors on the tour can watch as these metal birds take form, from a mere blueprint to a colossal machine ready to defy gravity. Stand in awe as you witness the assembly of a 747, or marvel at the finesse needed to craft the Dreamliner. Every step of this tour echoes with the hum of innovation and progress. From the roar of the engines to the whisper of the wind over the wings, this factory tour is an experience like no other. Boeing, a testament to Seattle's soaring spirit. From flight, we dive into the vibrant world of pop culture at the Museum of Pop Culture. Quintessentially Seattle, this museum is a melting pot of music, film, and pop culture, a colorful tapestry of creativity that mirrors the city's innovative spirit. Each exhibit is a love letter to the world of entertainment, showcasing everything from iconic movie costumes to groundbreaking music memorabilia. The museum not only houses artifacts of the past, but it also champions the present, embracing the evolution of pop culture and the creative minds that shape it. The Museum of Pop Culture is a celebration of the unconventional, the imaginative, and the extraordinary. It's a place where you can walk through the pages of your favorite comic book, dance to the rhythm of your favorite music, and delve into the worlds of your favorite films. It's a place where dreams come to life and imagination takes flight. The Museum of Pop Culture, where Seattle's creative pulse beats. Our journey culminates with the majestic Mount Rainier. A towering sentinel against the city's skyline, Mount Rainier is a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of nature. This stratovolcano, one of the most prominent in the continental United States, is draped in a shimmering white cloak of ice and snow, standing at a staggering 14,410 feet. It's a playground for the adventurous at heart, boasting over 260 miles of maintained trails. Hikers can traverse through wildflower meadows, ancient forests, and along crisp, clear rivers, each step revealing a new facet of the mountain's allure. From the summit, a breathtaking panorama unfolds. On clear days, the Cascade Range stretches out in an endless sea of peaks, while the cities of Seattle and Tacoma twinkle in the distance. It's a view that leaves one awestruck, a reminder of our small place in the grand scheme of nature. Mount Rainier, the crowning glory of Seattle's natural beauty. Lastly, we can't forget Seattle's contribution to music, grunge. A raw, emotive sound born in the late 80s, grunge music is an integral part of Seattle's identity. Bands like Nirvana, Pearl Jam, and Soundgarden emerged from Seattle's underground scene, their music echoing through the city's streets and etching a new narrative in the world of rock. This unpolished, passionate genre has left an indelible mark on music history. Grunge music, the soul-stirring symphony of Seattle. That brings us to the end of our Seattle exploration. We've discovered the iconic Space Needle, the bustling Pike Place Market, and the birthplace of Starbucks. We've seen why it's called the Emerald City, visited the homes of Fortune 500 companies, and explored the Puget Sound. We've toured the Boeing factory, the Museum of Pop Culture, and marveled at Mount Rainier. Lastly, we've dived into the roots of grunge music. Thank you for journeying with Traveling Kangaroo. Don't forget to subscribe and visit our website, travelingkangaroo.com. Until next time, keep exploring.